Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming you have legal authority to use the emergency elevator key and informing affected occupants. Once done, unlock the elevator control cabinet or locate the override key slot. This is the actual point of action. Insert the key and rotate to the access position while watching indicator lights. Make sure to hold communications open with building control and label the car if people are present, because safety protocols require coordination before moving an elevator under override. Once the key is turned, select the correct mode, inspection for door control or independent for service runs, and understand why. Inspection allows single-step movement for hands-on work, independent isolates the car from hall calls. Use the manual travel buttons to move the car incrementally while observing door sensor behavior. Keep movements short so the system can reevaluate safety interlocks. Also confirm weight and brake feedback each time you move to prevent overload or unintended drift. Finish by returning the control to automatic and removing the key to prevent accidental reuse. This re-enables normal hall calls and automatic scheduling. Once normal mode is restored, run a quick test cycle and confirm doors operate and floors respond. If anything goes wrong, like the car won't move or doors stay locked, stop, engage the emergency stop if needed, and call elevator maintenance or building control immediately. If passengers are trapped, use the elevator phone or manual lowering only if trained.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.